Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Binance account. Now there are different reasons why you might want to delete your Binance account. Some of which are security concerns. Maybe you suspect your account has been compromised or you want to enhance security measures. Another reason is if you no longer want to actively trade or use your Binance account. It can also be because you want to switch to another exchange. If you are moving to a different cryptocurrency exchange platform, you might want to delete your Binance account. Also, if you're concerned about the amount of personal data Binance holds, you might also want to delete it. You could also no longer be interested in cryptocurrency trading. Now, Binance does not offer a direct account deletion option. So that is the problem we have. There's no direct account deletion option. There's no option that allows you to directly delete your Binance account, but you can use an alternative, which is the account disablement feature. This will help you disable your account and restrict access, but your data may still be retained for legal and compliance purposes. Now let me give you the steps to take to disable your Binance account. 1. Log in to your Binance account on the website or the app using your credentials. Then go to your user center, which is accessible through your profile or settings. Then look for account management or something similar to that. Then find the option that says disable account. And once you found that option, follow the on-screen instruction. You may be required to provide a reason for disabling your account, which is why I went through the reasons from the beginning. So once you've given your reason, confirm your decision. Please consider the following. Before disabling your account, ensure you withdraw all your cryptocurrencies and fiat currency. Next, make sure you review Binance terms of service. Understand the implication of disabling your account and how Binance handles users' data. Next, if you have any questions or encounter issues, please contact Binance customer support for assistance. So that is it. It's as simple as that. That is how to delete your Binance account, or in this case, disable your Binance account. Note that this information is for general guidance only and may not be entirely accurate or up to date. So for that reason, refer to Binance official website and support channel for the most accurate and current information. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.